Hey guys, it's me here. I'm so sorry I have not been posting. I got a new computer and I didn't know how to record videos on it, so I had to learn. But other than that, I'm very happy that I learned how to record on my Mac. And now that my videos are, I'm happy and very proud. So now, I'm sick today, so I didn't go to school. Like, I'm very sick. But this account is Roblox and MSP. If you all really know. I want to see if I can get rid of this. It doesn't work. But, I'm going to be dressing up my character, and I will be talking about a scammer that I encountered, who I just don't want you guys to get scammed by, because she knows how to scam you. She's a good scammer. But what I mean is just hold on, let's make an outfit first. I got my dream hair, which is a sword bit. This Goldie was with me first, but it was in a movie. And then I didn't have the IP at that time, so I couldn't get it. It sucks. Actually, I think I know what it is. Sorry, I'm trying to just jump in and I died. Let's try it. Ooh! Like last one. Oh my god, this is actually awesome. I'm so sick of hurts. Bless me. Nobody is here to say God bless me. I'm going on a cruise the 26th, so I won't be able to post. So yeah. But I'm gonna make a cute little outfit. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but let's see if I can. I have a lot of rares. And wait, what hair did I trade for that hair? Drip hair. Oh my god, I'm very excited myself. But if y'all want to add me, I have no problem with you guys adding me. But if y'all are gonna add me, don't be rude to me and don't scam me. If y'all can get my friend hair back from the girl I'm gonna be talking about, that'd be amazing. If y'all just go spam her and report her. Her name's in here. But right now, we are making an outfit. So we can't talk about that yet. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I normally don't like pink hair, but this girl gives me like all of the Miss 30s. She gave me all of Miss 30s, and I've just been gifting the ugly ones to people who I think deserve it. And I got a bubblegum rare. It was like 18 cafe clothes, you know what I mean? And I gave it to this girl I'm friends with on this game. And she said she'll watch it for me. But I think she's scared me. Yeah. I don't know. She's very nice, so I don't think she would do that, but who knows? I don't trust sometimes people on this app. It's not really an app. I don't know why I just called it that. But I don't trust so many people. And I'll show you why in a second. This is an okay outfit for me. Okay. If I go here and I look at my old user outfit, in my old MSP video. See, it's not on here, right? See? These were all my old accounts. Not, these aren't my accounts, but like I had this was my old name that you got deleted, so it was making it so that like everybody would report me and stuff. She hacked me and made it look like she was a hacker. She was a hacker, so they wouldn't be really deleting my account because I don't know how to verify email things, so I couldn't fix it. But like, that doesn't give you the right to do that, okay? It doesn't. But we're gonna look this girl up, so alright. So you see that fan she's wearing? That's my fan. And I made numerous accounts. So we're gonna see something. We're gonna make an account and we're going to make her stop. Okay, so we're gonna make a new account and I'll do that when I get out. This account, I'll be giving it away. It's your scammed friend and the password is girlsrock8. So if I look up, okay, so we're gonna look this girl up. Sorry. Look her up. Let's see what this says. Oh, wow. Okay, so we're gonna go here and see if she said I see. Yo, why did you what's her name? Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. Okay. Like, we would get that to her. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna message her. I'm gonna say, hi, I have a question. Why do you scam my friend? And okay, that might have been a little offensive, but I don't care. So, anyway, we're gonna just level the account up a little bit. So what we got? Wow, I'm so happy. Okay guys, that's all for this week's video. Thanks so much for watching.